Hey guys, never boost a post on Facebook. Now, you might be saying, I thought you say you should be doing Facebook ads. And yes, you should probably be doing Facebook ads if it aligns with your strategy. But the reality is that boosting a post, you lose a lot of the capabilities, a lot of the settings within Facebook Ads Manager, Meta Ads Manager. It's just easier to say Facebook ads. But anyway, a lot of times Facebook will just put this boost button on there. It's super easy just to click boost and you think, oh, I'm going to get people to see this, and you will. But the problem is people don't update their settings. You don't have the capabilities or the settings to be able to tell Facebook what you actually want and control that. That's one of the powerful pieces about ads, is telling that what your objective is to where you want it to go, meaning your audience, your location, demographics, etc. And three, really your headlines and all these types of things. When you boost a post, a lot of times it can happen so easily and so quickly that you'll lose that or you'll forget about it. Yes, you can go in there and do it if you're careful, but a lot of times people will not do that. What I've literally seen, guys, is that a business halfway across the country will show up in the other half. So I have seen detailers, I've seen body shops, repair shops, hail repair across the country, and those ads should only be shown to that specific area. When you're talking detailing, it should only be in your specific area where you're either going to go mobile detailing or someone's going to come to your shop. Same thing for hail repair. It should really only be shown in that specific area where the hail hit. And really for any auto repair, auto body, PDR, etc. Now, if you're talking about selling products, that's different, but we're talking about auto shops, that are local areas. Really should never be boosting a post. If you're going to be running Facebook ads, you need to go into Ads Manager and set things up properly from the get-go. Okay, guys? Hope that helps. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.